Hello students, in today's session we will discuss how to fit a straight line y equal to ax plus b by the method of least squares. In curve fitting, the very important step is getting normal equations from the given equation. Here we have straight line y equal to ax plus b where a and b are two unknowns. In order to get the values for these unknowns, we have to solve two equations. So we have to form two equations as normal equations. The general procedure of getting normal equations is, first we have to attach sigma to the given equation, and in the second step we have to attach sigma x to the given equation. When you attach sigma to the given equation, we will get summation y equal to summation ax plus summation b. When you attach sigma x to the given equation, we will get summation xy equal to summation x into ax plus summation x into b. On simplifying this, the normal equations become summation y equal to a summation x plus b into n. Here you have summation b, that is same as b into summation 1, and summation 1 is equal to n. So we will get b into n. And summation xy equal to a summation x square plus b summation x. So in normal equation, the values for summation y, summation x, summation xy, summation x square will be obtained from given values of x and y. N is number of values of x and y. Once we substitute all these data in equation star, we will get two equations in unknowns a and b. We can solve those equations. We can use calculator also. Once we get values for a and b, we have to substitute in the equation 1, that is y equal to ax plus b. It will give the required straight line of fit. This will be explained with example. So I will start a problem. Question is, fit a straight line y equal to ax plus b for the following data by least square approximation. Values of x and y are given. X values 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, 14 and corresponding y values 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Let's see how to fit a straight line. Since they have mentioned form of straight line as y equal to ax plus b, take the same equation as equation 1. The first step is we have to form normal equations. In order to get normal equations, first step, attach sigma to equation 1. So we get summation y equal to a summation x plus b into n. In order to get second normal equation, you attach sigma x to equation 1. So we will get sigma xy equal to a summation x square plus b into summation x. So we have two equations as normal equations. You observe here n. N is number of values of x and y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So n value is equal to 8. N is 8. Now we want the values of for summation y, summation x, summation xy and summation x square. Here also we have summation x. For this we will prepare a table with the respective columns. So columns will be x, y, xy and x square. Values of x and y are given. So here we have tabulated all the values of x and y. You can see all the values of x and y. Then we want x into y. Multiply each x and y value. Write the values of x and y. And similarly, in the last column, write the value of x square for each value of x. Once you completed the column, you observe we want sum of all those. So calculate the sum of x values, sum of y values, sum of x into y values and sum of x square. So summation x equal to 56, summation y equal to 40, summation xy equal to 364 and summation x square equal to 524. Now you substitute all these values in equation star. So when you substitute all these in equation star, we will get two equations as 40 equal to 56a plus 8b, 364 equal to 524a plus 56b. Or I can take this equation as 56a plus 8b equal to 40, 524a plus 56b equal to 364. Now we can solve these two equations. Use calculator. You set equation mode. Two unknowns we have. So for two unknowns, you substitute the values for a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2. Then your calculator will give value of a as 0.64 and value of b as 0.55. Now our work is we have to substitute value for a and b in equation 1, that is y equal to ax plus b. When you substitute values for a and b in equation 1, you will get the required straight line as y equal to 0.64x plus 0.55. Take one more example. Here the question is, find the equation of the best fitting straight line for the following data and hence estimate the value of the dependent variable corresponding to the value 30 of the independent variable. X values 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and y values 16, 19, 23, 26, 30. We will start the solution. Let us take y equal to ax plus b as the required straight line of fit. Then we have to consider normal equations associated with the equation 1. For that purpose, first we will attach sigma to equation 1. So we will get summation y equal to a summation x plus b into n. In order to get the one more normal equation, attach sigma x to equation 1. When you attach sigma x, we will get summation xy equal to a summation x square plus b summation x. Note that here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values of x and y are given. So n equal to 5. Now we want values for summation y, summation x, summation xy and summation x square. In this purpose, we have to prepare table with the columns x, y, xy and x square. So x values and y values given values only. multiply each x and y respectively to get the product x into y, and square each of the x values to get the column x square. Now, if we sum each of the column, we will get the required values. Here, summation x equal to 75, summation y equal to 114, summation xy equal to 1885, and summation x square equal to 1375. The next work is we have to substitute these in equation star. When we substitute this in equation star, we will get normal equations as 75a plus 5b equal to 114, 1375a plus 75b equal to 1885. Now we have to solve this using the calculator. Equation mode, two unknowns, take a1 as 75, b1 as 5, c1 as 114, a2 as 1375, b2 as 75 and c2 as 1885. And when you solve this using the calculator, you will get value of a as 0.7 and b as 12.3. The next work is we have to substitute values of a and b in equation 1. When you substitute a and b in equation 1, you will get the required straight line as y equal to 0.7x plus 12.3. This is the best fitting straight line for the given data. Here one more sentence is there in the question, that is, we have to estimate the value of dependent variable when the independent variable is 30. So when x equal to 30, what is the value of y is the question. We have calculated best fitting straight line. In that we will put x equal to 30. So when x equal to 30, value of y is 33.33. So this will give value of dependent variable when independent variable equal to 30. Thank you.